Hey guys, welcome again to Funny Maths. In this video, we are going to solve this problem. A to the power of b minus b to the power of a is equal to 17. What is a and what is b? So here's the solution. First, let's bring down the given equation. A to the power of b minus b to the power of a equals 17. Now, we have to follow this. C to the power of m over m is equal to c. So if we put any number here, a power, same numerator and denominator, that's just equal to 1. So they are just the same. So let's follow this. So for this, we can like it as a to the power of b whole to the power of, let's use 2 over 2 minus b to the power of a whole to the power of, let's use the same, 2 over 2 equals 17. Now next is, we have a rule of a power. A to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn. So this rule means that we can multiply a power to a power. So now this is a to the power of b over 2 whole to the power of 2 minus b to the power of a over 2 whole to the power of 2 equals 17. Now, the next thing to do is we can let x be equal to a to the power of b over 2 and y be equal to b to the power of a over 2. So to write, this is now x squared minus y squared equals 17. Now for this, we have an identity, a squared minus b squared, which is also equal to a plus b times a minus b. So let's follow this identity to write this. So x squared minus y squared can be written as x plus y times x minus y is equal to 17. Now for this, we should follow that x plus y should be greater than x minus y. So in this relation, so for 17, we have two factors. First is 1 times 17. Other one is 17 times 1. Now, let's identify what factor is correct using this relation. X plus y is greater than x minus y. So 1, if we put 1 here, 1 is greater than 17. That is totally wrong. So this is not the correct factor. How about this? 17 is greater than 1. Is this correct? Therefore, we can use 17 times 1. So for this, we can have two equations. First equation is x plus y is equal to 17. The other one is x minus y is equal to 1. For these two equations, what we're going to do is to add these two equations. So we have x plus y equals 17 plus x minus y is equal to 1. So x plus x, that is 2x. Y plus negative y, this is 0. Equals 17 plus 1, that is 18. Divide both sides by 2. So this is cancelled, and this is now x is equal to 18 divided by 2, that is 9. So x is equal to 9. Now, how about the value of y? Now, we can use this first equation, x plus y equals 17. And then substitute 9 for the value of x. So 9 plus y equals 17. Now, bring down y and then take 9 to the other side. So y is equal to 17 minus 9. And now this is y is equal to 8. So we have the value for x, which is equal to 9, and y is equal to 8. Now next is, let's record that we left x be equal to a to the power of b over 2. And y be equal to b to the power of a over 2. So using the value of x, which is 9, so this is now a to the power of b over 2 is equal to 9. Now, let's isolate the power of a by canceling this denominator 2. Now, next is we can square both sides. So we can cancel the denominator 2 between the power of 2. So we're left with a to the power of b is equal to 9 squared, that is equal to 81. Now, let's write 81 into a power form. So this is now a to the power of b is equal to 3 to the power of 4. 3 to the power of 4 is equal to 81. Another, for y, we have 8. So this is b to the power of a over 2 is equal to 8. And then square both sides. So this is now cancelled. So we're left with d to the power of a equals 8 squared, that is equal to 64. Now, let's write 64 into a power form. And that is 4 to the power of 3. 4 to the power of 3 is equal to 64. Now, for this, to get the value of a and b, we must know that this a is our base and 3 is our base. The power of b, which is the index, and the power of 4 is also an index. Also, this is the base, index, index. So by comparison, the bases a and 3 is the index of the other side. And here, the index, which is b and 4, is the bases of the other side. That means, in comparison, we can say that a is equal to 3, and the other side is b is equal to 4. So this is the value of a, and this is the value of b. Now let's check to verify if the values are correct. So using the given equation, a to the power of b minus b to the power of a equals 17. So to check, so substitute, a we have 3, b we have 4, minus b we have 4, and a is 3, equals 17. Now, 3 to the power of 4 is equal to 81, minus 4 to the power of 3 is 64, equals 17. Now, 81 minus 64, that is 17, equals 17. So they are equal. That means the value of a, which is equal to 3, is correct, and the value of b, which is equal to 4, is also correct. And that's all for today. For more exciting videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to Fun the Maths.